All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and the quality of the hardware that Autel and Rant use, well, just sucks. All right, so this is my Autel MS908 SP. Their software does so much. It really is very, very strong software. My problem is, well, the tablet they put it on. Now, to give a comparison, my Veris Edge, and we've talked about why I won't upgrade that, why I'm not getting a Zeus, yada, yada, yada. But here's my problem. The Veris has had the same exact life as the Autel. Same exact life. They literally live next to each other in my hutch. They sit next to each other. Both stay on power when they're not in use. And, well, here's my problem. The battery on this is bad. Okay. Battery is actually discontinued. You have to buy it from a third-party vendor to get it. That sucks. I have one. I haven't put it in yet. But the other thing is, well, the battery management software on this also sucks. Because right now, it's dropped 3% since I started this video. But it'll be sitting there plugged in and be at 30%. You do some stuff, and then it'll be at 80%. It's just, they use crappy hardware. I'm sorry. I love Autel, but come on. You've got to use better parts. My Samsung tablet is older than this and still doesn't have these problems. The newest problem is the touchscreen. So you can see it works down there. Give me a second while I back up. Escape. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Oh, hey, it might have worked. Oh, hey, it started working again. I've had some issues with the touchscreen on my Veris, but it's mostly just slow at responding, not at all. See, it ain't doing nothing right now. Oh, hey, it just exited. Finally worked. Oh, right now, it started working now, but it's been really, really, really annoying because you're trying to get a job, you're trying to diagnose a car, you're going to, and it just doesn't work. What are my options? Send it in to get it fixed, buy a new one, buy something different. It just kind of sucks that the planned obsolescence of this tool, and Autel has been, well, notorious for this for many years. The hardware they use just does not stand up to the shop environment. So I'm actually going to give it to Snap-on, down to 77%, by the way. It has its issues. It's nowhere near as powerful as far as the scan tool abilities. I've had way, way, way less trouble with this tool as far as, well, hardware. The hardware of this has been more or less fine. I mean, it just works. Yeah, it leaves you stranded on jobs where it won't do this, it won't do that, but that's a software thing. The hardware they use is actually really pretty decent. Yeah, they skimp on hard drive sizes, processors, operating systems. This is still XP embedded, so. But this has been kicking longer than my Autel. This has never been in, this has never been in for any kind of repair. Never. My Modus Ultra, the one I had before this, the scope module went bad, had to have it sent in for repairs, but this one has actually never been back to Snap-on. And I've had it a good bit longer than the Autel. That is very sad on Autel's part. That a scan tool that lives its life, this is not a shop tool. These are not shop tools. These are my tools. Primarily, I'm the one that uses them. Every now and then, one of the guys in the shop will use it, but for the most part, it is a personal tool of mine. So I will go grab it, diagnose a car. You know, they don't live hard lives. These aren't tools that are, left on somebody's toolbox to go dead overnight. They get turned on and off, powered on, and I'm just kind of disgusted, that a $4,000 tool needs to be sent in for repairs in what, 3 years? Yeah, yes, if I had done the, kept it updated, yada, yada, yada. But that $3,000 is probably going to go towards buying a new tool. Because, well, I give Snap-on hell for their, cost and, well, what they won't do. No, I'm not doing another video on what they won't do because it's not going to be relevant because I'm not updated on this tool. Not going to. It's just, why can't Autel, they've got the software, why can't they do the hardware to go with it? These are shop tools. They need to be strong and durable. When Snap-on kicks your butt on durability on a tool, it's a problem. Hope you enjoyed the rant. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.